Hey guys, Mountain Creek Armory here, and today we're doing a video review on a custom Velocity Systems Scarab plate carrier. Okay, so a few notes before we get started. This was a custom item, and the modifications done were specifically requested by one of our law enforcement customers. This is straight from Velocity Systems, and they did all of the custom work. This is a really well thought out design and has some advantages over the standard Scarab, so let's go ahead and get started. So we started off with a Ranger Green Scarab as the base. You can see the standard Scarab shoulder straps that articulate on D-rings. So the first customization on this carrier was to add an admin pocket to the top, which the standard Scarab doesn't have. This setup is based off the APC, and you can see the dimensions of the pocket here. So we also added loop material to the front of the carrier here, and the molle webbing has loop material on it as well. Alright, so the next thing we did was remove the kangaroo pouch and front flap from the carrier. The standard Scarab front flap and kangaroo pouch can be a little bulky when used with placards, and we wanted a low profile option to cut down on bulk and extra material. So instead, there's this loop material here to attach the cummerbund. Okay, so let's talk about the cummerbund. One of the biggest modifications we did was removing the standard Scarab cummerbund system and replacing it with the APC style cummerbund. The reason behind this was so that the customer could still use his soft armor inserts inside of the cummerbund. Alright, so you'll also see that the sections that attach to the carrier have the corners clipped. Sometimes if you're trying to get the carrier on in a hurry, the cummerbund can get put on at an angle, resulting in the corner sticking it past the placard. This isn't a huge problem, but it can be annoying, and this was a simple solution. And we'll just show you here real quick. We'll put a placard on, and you can see that the corners are out of the way, coming up from the top or the bottom. The next thing we did was remove the elastic magazine pouches on the inside of the cummerbund and added molle webbing instead. This is by far our favorite modification to the cummerbund and allows the end user to attach whichever pouch they'd like and put it in the exact position they want it. This is particularly useful for attaching radios, and any of the Velocity Systems or Blue Force Gear helium whisper pouches would work great on the inside of the cummerbund. So we'll go ahead and flip the carrier over here and take a look at the back. You can see we removed the zippers for the Scarab back panels and added an APC style rear flap for the cummerbund. We also added loop material and molle webbing with loop for attaching ID patches. Alright guys, that's it for the review. We've included some photos here of the carrier so you guys can see it in more detail. Overall, we're really impressed with how this project turned out. This carrier combines some of the best features from the Scarab and APC product lines, and we think it's a really functional setup. The cummerbund in particular will allow the end user to tailor the carrier to their needs rather than be stuck with only the M4 magazine pouches. This particular customer also ordered a custom placard from Extreme Gear Labs to go along with this, and we'll try to get some photos of the complete setup when we can. We are also considering having Velocity Systems make a small batch for us to sell on our website if there's enough interest. We're thinking about doing either Ranger Green or multicam. So let us know what you guys think. If you have any questions or are interested in picking one up, you can comment below or send us an email. We've put links to our website and Facebook in the description, so check us out there as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Stay safe.